what's happening with the business today is we are coming to market, or we have come to market with tactical grade solutions at a low price that just happens to be timed perfectly with the way the market is shifting right now. From a commercial standpoint, everything needs to be lower cost. From a defense standpoint, things actually need to be disposable. And we've got the only solution that fits within that new market for both commercial and defense customers. So if you look at the defense market in particular, for a long time, people would joke about how cost was never an issue with the Department of Defense and the $10,000 toilets and the $900 wrench and things like that. That has completely changed. Now cost is actually a huge component of modern warfare, and everything is starting to reflect that. So when we talk to defense customers now, it's about building a low-cost disposable drone, building loitering munitions, creating super sophisticated warfighter aiming and engagement systems that reflect these new cost constraints of modern warfare. So everything has to be super cheap, super accurate, because now you're not just producing a navigation system not just for a missile or a jet. You're doing it for thousands, millions of drones, or for every rifle that goes out in the field for the unmounted warfighter. Now you have to produce low-cost, tactical-grade navigational systems that are producible at volume and are affordable within these new cost constraints. That's what everyone is doing right now. That's what the majority of our customers are coming to us with right now.